My name is Vince Donofrio, and I brought Banner Garage in probably 3 years ago to put in a garage floor and put in some cabinets. Well, I'm a little bit of a neat freak, and keeping the garage clean and organized was a challenge, especially when winter came and you drag some snow into the garage. It seems like it would sit there for 4 or 5 months until spring till I could clean it out. So that was one of the things I was trying to get my arms around. Yeah, so I've known Ed for a long time, long before he got involved with Banner Garage. And when I decided to do this, I knew he'd gone into that line of work, and I reached out to Ed, and he came and we talked a little bit about what I was trying to accomplish. And what I really appreciated at that time was he had lots of suggestions, lots of recommendations for some of the features that were available in the cabinets and things like that I thought were pretty cool. Well, a couple. One, I have a little chop saw, and I didn't want to, pick this 50-pound saw up and drag it out every time I needed to use it. So I asked him, is there any way we can put this on a shelf that would slide out? Because I'm not building houses with this thing. It's always a 1 or 2 board thing. So yeah, he said, yeah, we can do that and put it at the right height. So now I just slide, it's always plugged in. I just slide it out, turn it on, zip, slide it back in. It's all good. Ed saw all the baby jars that I had all over the place with nuts and bolts and odds and ends in them, and I recommended the parts bin, and it's been a real game changer. Now that stuff's all neatly tucked away, and I can't tell you how many times it saved me a trip to the hardware store. Again, I'm a little bit of a neat freak. I don't like lifting heavy stuff if I don't have to. So it was nice and convenient, made it nice and easy. I had the saw, I rarely used it. Whenever I had a need for it, I always found another way to do it because I didn't want to drag that saw out. So I was able to use the saw now. I've known Ed, and I know who he is. I know he's a quality guy. So I wouldn't say I was surprised. I will say I was impressed and continue to be impressed, not just in the quality of the work, but in the way he stands behind his product. And that is, he doesn't walk away ever. I've had a lot of people do a lot of things in our homes over the years, and sometimes getting him on the phone after is almost impossible. Never a problem with Ed, and whatever you need, he's there for you. Honestly, it's oftentimes one of the cleanest rooms in the house. So it's just made it that much easier to keep things clean and organized.